Hey guys, today we're going to be talking about how to make your backgrounds pop and how to choose the right background for your videos. So the first thing that you want to note is you're gonna have to set up your camera somewhere stable that has good lighting. If you don't have good lighting, bring in lights. Second of all, your location is so important. And so if you don't have something interesting going on behind you, make sure to either find somewhere, go outside, rent out a studio space, whatever it is, paint a wall, make it interesting, and then make sure you have room between the subject and the background. For example, right now, I am sitting probably 6 to 7 feet away from this back wall, and it creates a level of separation between me and the background. And so this is what creates that professional looking image, and you're going to get a lot more traction and a lot more people are going to take you serious whenever doing it this way. So make sure to keep it interesting, make sure to use right lighting, and try and pick a room that has more space in it. If it's a small room, you can make it work. It's just not going to look as cinematic or professional looking. So hope you guys enjoyed this quick tip video. I'm putting out these videos every single week, so make sure to hit the subscribe button. If you feel like I missed something or if something else has worked for you, make sure to leave it in the comments and join the Howdy Media Insiders group on Facebook. We go live every single Friday, and it's a good time of people just like you who are business owners and creators. So thanks for watching. Make sure to hit subscribe, and we will see you guys in the next one.